How about these floors from Tarkett? And Darrell, great to have you back. Tarkett's been on Military Makeover countless times. I've even lost track, right? This is a brand new product, though. This is the NuGen flooring.
You're correct. It's called NuGen, and it comes in a click and it comes in a glue down. We are doing the glue down on the stairs,
right?
Because if we put a click on the stairs, it may compromise the locking system.
What's this product right here? This is a different look, right? Brand new for 2020.
This is one of our ProGen products.
And I love that stone look. It's gonna look great in the bathrooms.
Now we elected to do the NuGen. It's a new product for us, different look. It has a specialized backing. It's called IXPE backing. Basically, this will deaden the sound as you walk through the home.
These stairs, we're gonna do the glue down on here as well. And what's great about this is it takes the whole flow up to the upstairs, right?
Exactly, we're gonna continue the seamless look. The good thing about the NuGen product is the colors will transition from click to glue down. The color will be uniform.
Darrell, you have military service in your family. What does it mean for you to be a part of this military makeover?
It's a huge thing for us. My family personally is very involved in Veterans Affairs. My dad was a disabled veteran, so I saw the struggles and the things that he went through. So when I got the call from Military Makeover to come help the Marquez family, I just couldn't resist.
We thank you for being here, man.
It's great to be here. Thank you.